a special Halloween edition of Tattooed Nerd. It's actually not that special of an edition. I just wanted to say happy Halloween. So you're not going to learn anything new about Zoom today. You're not going to learn anything new about Microsoft Teams today. You're not going to learn anything new about UCaaS in general today. You're going to learn a couple of new things about me. For example, did you see my new Halloween shirt? You can thank my wife for that. I haven't bought myself clothes in 3 years. So she got me this new Halloween shirt, and I changed my lighting for everybody. Purple and green lighting as well to kind of add to the ambiance and the mood of Halloween and trick-or-treating. I have 4 boys. 3 of them are basically out of the house and no longer care about trick-or-treating. My youngest is 10 and still cares a great deal about getting as much candy as possible, hoarding as much of the sweet nectar of the gods as he can get in his little bag. And we have a few traditions here at the Kelley residence, and it starts out kind of this way. We go to a place called the Grapevine, which is a local watering hole for the neighborhood a couple of blocks away. We walk over there, and I might have a cocktail or a beverage of sorts, and then I let Preston go. Preston is the youngest one, and it's a very small neighborhood type of place, so he can go up and down all the houses, and most of them are townhomes that are stacked on top of each other. So the efficiency of candy hoarding is really at its opportune, most productive and efficient methodology for a 10-year-old, because you can go from house to house to house. You can probably hit 100 houses in less than an hour, and by then you are overindulged in candy already. So that lasts about an hour, and then we head back to our neighborhood. We walk back, and then we proceed to hand out candy at our home. And my only goal of the night is to see how many kids I can make cry by scaring them. That's not true. There is a 60% chance of rain today, and it's going to be a little bit cold. And in South Carolina, when I say cold, I mean like in the 50s dropping down to the 30s. That's cold for people in the South. So that's it. That's really all I wanted to say. I wanted to just wish everyone a happy holiday. And also, if you don't know, I actually do have a YouTube channel called Patrick Kelley Tattooed Nerd. I'll put the URL up and above in the description. And also, I do run a Got a Minute series on the official Zoom YouTube channel as well. So basically, 2 different sources of entertainment to get from me during the day. So happy Halloween, everybody. Enjoy and be safe.